Unraveling the phrase, tune the banjo head. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, tune the banjo head. Whether you're a music enthusiast or curious about English idioms, this video is for you. We'll explore not just the literal meaning but also any idiomatic expressions associated with it. So, let's get started and unlock the mysteries of this fascinating phrase. When we talk about tuning the banjo head, we are entering the world of music, specifically, the world of banjos. The banjo is a stringed instrument with a distinctive sound, partly due to its drum-like head which can be tightened or loosened. Tuning the banjo head involves adjusting this tension to change the pitch of the notes it produces. This is crucial for the banjo to sound harmonious and in tune with other instruments. Interestingly, the phrase, tune the banjo head, is not commonly used as an idiom in English. It's primarily a technical term in music. However, if we were to think of it creatively, it could metaphorically represent the idea of making fine adjustments or preparations in other areas of life or work to achieve a desired outcome. It's about attention to detail and precision in whatever task you're undertaking. Understanding phrases like, tune the banjo head, enriches your English vocabulary and gives you insights into cultural nuances, especially related to music. For English language learners, it's a great example of how specific terms can have broader applications or meanings, enhancing both your linguistic skills and cultural knowledge. We hope you found this exploration of tune the banjo head both informative and enjoyable. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding their context and usage. So, keep tuning your language skills, and you'll be playing beautiful music with your words in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.